Hello and welcome to ped100 Fitness Through Movement. A little bit about this course. This is going to be a 5-week online course. This is over the summer, looking at transformational fitness and wellness. You'll have daily and weekly activities and assignments. So this is just a nice little intro to get you dialed in as to what you can expect over the course of these next 5 weeks over the summer. The first thing we're going to need to do is download MyFitnessPal, the app, or create an account on your computer. You're going to use this for not only a nutrition log assignment, but you're also going to use this each and every single week and either upload activity that you do from one app to MyFitnessPal or record it in MyFitnessPal and submit it with your weekly activity logs. Day 1 assignments, you're going to want to check those out real fast. We do get started really fast as you have to do some physical testing measurements on your own at home, and make sure that you guys video those testing measurements so that way we can make sure that all the data that we're getting is nice and accurate. You're going to need the textbook. Make sure that you are watching the video lectures, okay, and these are all within the modules. Check out the individual assignments as well as the group assignments, and the group assignments and individual assignments are typically a little bit more discussion based, unless it's like a big assignment that's due for a big grade. But usually it's a nice discussion post, respond to a peer, or with the group assignments you are motivating each other with a scripture verse or some type of motivational quote that can help them with their fitness goals for the week or for the entire 5 weeks. So beyond those discussion boards, check out your pre and post fitness assessments. So what you're going to find is that under each and every single module, there's a video that kind of tells you what to expect for the week. I highly recommend the Sunday before that week starts, watch the video, go through the modules, make sure that you're dialed in on what's due and when it's due for that week. So go take a look at the syllabus. It's in the very top module. Be active in engaging in the course daily. Again, I recommend Sunday night, get an idea of what is due for that week. Be working on it during that week so that way you make sure you hit all your due dates on time. And then contact your instructor if you have issues or questions regarding the information in that module that week. So, where will your journey lead you? Who knows?